Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF XChange. This powerful software provides comprehensive solutions for all your PDF needs, fundamentally transforming how you interact with documents. You can effortlessly manage and modify your files, whether for professional reports or important personal projects. Its efficiency and diverse feature set truly make document handling a breeze, consistently helping you save valuable time each day. Navigating your PDF documents in PDF XChange Editor is incredibly simple. You can easily open files from your local storage or cloud services, providing instant access. Use the intuitive zoom controls to view details, setting the magnification from 25% up to an impressive 400%, ensuring clarity. Effortlessly move between pages with clickable thumbnails or by scrolling smoothly, making document review straightforward and efficient. Annotating documents effectively enhances collaboration and understanding. PDF XChange Editor offers a robust suite of annotation tools to help you communicate clearly. You can easily highlight text in your preferred color, drawing attention to crucial information. Add detailed sticky notes for extended comments or quick reminders, placing them precisely where needed. For visual cues, utilize the shape tools to draw circles or arrows, guiding your readers effectively and improving document interaction. PDF XChange Editor empowers you to modify your documents with remarkable flexibility, much like a traditional word processor. You can effortlessly edit existing text, correcting typos, or updating information directly on the page. Furthermore, resizing or repositioning images is simple, requiring just a few clicks or a quick drag and drop. Easily insert new text boxes or images, ensuring your documents are always current and professionally presented with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.